New Metrolink documents show how officials have floated the idea of using prefab accommodation to house thousands of workers expected to come here to build the underground railway. A shortage of critical skills here for tunnelling and rail systems means there will be a heavy reliance on skilled foreign workers and international contractors for crucial works. It's estimated about 8,000 people will be needed to work on the Metrolink plans, and while not all of these will be contributing to the project at the same time, the necessary workforce is expected to create extra demand for housing. Notes from Metrolink steering committee meetings show Metrolink officials believe this is an issue that requires solutions from the government. At one meeting late last year, the Metrolink officials said the off-site manufacture of accommodation or prefab units might help to deliver the necessary housing quickly. The meeting notes obtained by the Sunday Independent under Freedom of Information also shows that there are concerns among senior Metrolink figures that there may be issues around securing visas for non-EU workers coming here for the project. To deal with this, a list of critical skills needed for the construction of metro infrastructure is being drawn up to see if workers can be granted access to accelerated visas. Metrolink said it is also working on efforts to ensure its targeted international recruitment can complement homegrown talent and Irish businesses developing the underground system.